Yes, I am just sitting in my helmet in my apartment because I just got new Bluetooth stuff for my helmet, and I just called my kids. Spent 8 minutes on the phone with them. Worked pretty well. Painfully loud when you turn it up all the way. So I'm interested to see if it actually works out on the road now. So here's a second part of the review. Right here, this thing. It works well enough to notify me that the GPS is telling me to turn somewhere. So I just got back from a ride for about 2.5 hours. The audio quality is passable. It is not good, but it is not bad. It's just passable. For how much it cost, I expected better. I will say that the value for money is not there. If I could return it right now, I would, but I waited too long because of the weather. So when you're listening to audiobooks, it's fine. Some of the, it's just slightly muddy, but I can listen to an audiobook just fine. I was listening to one that was narrated by Luke Daniels. It was fine. No real complaints with the audiobook. With the turn-by-turn directions, I didn't use my phone, but I'd assume that if I had Google doing it, it'd be okay, just like the audiobook. With music, I know what song's playing. I understand the words, but the treble is really muddy. It doesn't hit, like the treble doesn't hit, it's muddy, and the bass is just non-existent. And that's not adjustable. And with the Garmin Zumo XT, which is right behind you because you're bolted to my handlebars right now, the Zumo XT giving turn-by-turn directions to this Scorpion headset. It's bad. Like, I can 9 out of 10 times make out what they said. When they're saying names of streets other than a number, then it's pretty bad, blown out. In the Venture Brothers, when they wake up the missile defense system, the Ventec missile defense system, Mother, that is what this headset sounds like getting directions from a Garmin XT. Yeah, you can understand it, but it's all very heavily digital and blown out. So it's disappointing as a product. The value for money is not there. I would not buy it again. And honestly, like, this helmet's okay, but it's fallen apart faster than my HJC, which is on the wall right over here. So when this helmet is completely worn out, which will probably be the end of this year, I'm not buying another one. It does fit nice, but so does my HJC. This thing, I have it closed right now, but driving me absolutely insane. So that's why all that black residue is on there, is from tape holding it in place from all of last year. So not impressed with Scorpion products. Probably won't buy any of it again once this wears out, because I've got money into it now. I'm just going to use it till it's worn out, because if it was any worse, I'd throw it away and not look back. But it's just in that sweet spot where it's like, well, because I already have it, I'll continue to use it. If it was any worse, it would force you into action, and I'd throw the thing away. Serves me right. I've had HJC helmets for 20 years, and the one time I bought a Bell helmet once to use off-road, and it was okay. The one time I buy a street helmet that isn't an HJC, I was disappointed. So shame on me, I guess, but now you know as well.